Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So we need to talk about Roblox. This is probably the hottest IPO of 2021. I love this company. If you're a parent or you know parents who have kids, their kids are probably obsessed with this company. Roblox is widely loved around the world and they've been growing very fast. And this is why a lot of investors are very excited about this IPO. Personally, I'm really excited about it. My biggest concern is the valuation, so I will be getting into the valuation in this video. ARK invested into this company just the other day as well. Show you guys how much ARK put into it. I also found a really good article from Seeking Alpha that covers a lot of key things you need to know about the company before jumping into the stock. So before we get into this video, guys, make sure to drop it a big thumbs up if you like the video. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And don't forget to check out that Webull link down below if you want 2 free stocks. You just gotta deposit $100. So diving straight into this, the first thing I'm gonna start with is ARK Invest. So in the ARK W fund, they bought 519,000 shares, and this was on the day it IPO'd. So ARK Invest immediately initialized a position. That's obviously a good sign. ARK Invest knows what they're doing, and they have a pretty good idea of what's gonna be successful and what's not. It's hard to argue that Roblox isn't going to be successful. I don't think anybody is going to deny that, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's a good investment right now. So let's get into that part. Okay guys, so I'm going to go through the Seeking Alpha article. Lots of good points in here. I'm just going to find the key points and then talk about them with you. First thing you guys need to note is that Roblox actually IPO'd at $45 a share. It's already trading at 70. Now this is really common amongst hot IPOs. Just be careful. This valuation is extremely expensive, and we're going to get into that more. One thing to note with this company, partly why there's so much hype around it, is because how fast the company is growing. So it is growing exponentially, and Seeking Alpha does talk about how competition is going to intensify in this article. I'm going to have to disagree with that. I think Roblox has already solidified their position in this market, and competition is going to be healthy and not unhealthy. It's really not going to take market share from Roblox, in my opinion. Now, at $45 a share, this company was valued at $30 billion. That is actually really steep. However, now we're trading at $70 a share. So now what? It's worth 40 to 50 billion. That's really expensive, guys. It's hard to see how much upside there is in the short term. And that's why I'd be really cautious about initializing a position right now. Personally, for me, I like to wait until the hype dies down, see where the price is trading, and then think about initializing a position. So just be aware right now, really steep valuation. In fact, over the last 12 months, the valuation has actually increased by 600%. So there goes a lot of your gains, which is, you know, as an investor, that's all you should really care about. You should care about how much return you're going to make on your investment. We're going to get more into that in just a second, but first let me show you guys what is Roblox. So Roblox is a social gaming company that attracts, on average, 32 million daily active users to play interactive games on its platform. According to the registration, the document filed with the SEC, there are more than 7 million active developers on the platform creating new 3D experiences for users. 3 things to note with the business. So Roblox Client, an application that allows users to explore 3D digital worlds. Obviously, that's going to play a huge role in the future of gaming. Roblox Studio, tools that help creators design 3D experiences. And then Roblox Cloud, which is the infrastructure platform that facilitates the human co-experience platform. So those are the 3 technological pillars that Roblox works off of. All very exciting, and you know, it's not a surprise that people are so excited about this IPO. I'm surprised it hasn't doubled from its initial offering price, just like you know, Snowflake has and many other IPOs. But the valuation is steep. So another thing about this company. The company primarily generates revenue by selling its in-game currency, Robux. Users can purchase the virtual currency to upgrade their avatars and to pay developers to purchase experience-specific enhancements. A user can purchase Robux as a one-time purchase or pay for Roblox premium subscription, which starts at $5 a month. So guys, this immediately reminds me of Fortnite. Fortnite generates so much revenue by people upgrading their avatars and just in-game upgrades. And that's huge with League of Legends as well. I've played both of the games lots in the past, and I can tell you, I was personally caught up in that, spending unnecessary amount of money on avatars, skins, and upgrades. So yeah, that is a very hot thing for companies like Roblox to generate revenue from, and that is also very consistent. So if we want to look at Fortnite right now is valued at over 17 billion. And Fortnite, you know, this is probably the hottest game in the world. So I do think Roblox should be valued more than Fortnite, but this is just to give you a little bit of perspective. You know, 50 billion valuation, it's steep, guys. We're going to get more into that though, don't worry. So obviously, you know, with the steep valuation, there comes a lot of growth with this company. So growth of Roblox has been driven primarily by a significant investment in technology and two mutually reinforcing network effects, content and social. So I want to skip the rest of that paragraph and jump to the bottom. This to me is just more important, and I'm trying to streamline this for you guys. So second, our platform is social. When users join, they typically play with friends. This inspires them to invite more friends, who in turn invite their friends, driving organic growth. The more friends that each of our users has playing together on the platform, the more valuable and engaging the platform becomes. This drives more users to our platform through word of mouth from their existing friends on the platform. Now, this Seeking Alpha author has this absolutely bang on. I know a lot of different families that have kids who use Roblox. They are all absolutely obsessed about it. All their kids are talking about it. They're asking their parents for more Robux to buy more avatar skins and different upgrades. This is a huge growth factor in the company, is just word of mouth. It's really easy organic growth. And, you know, I do love the business. I love that they're in the 3D space. Virtual worlds is going to take over gaming, and Roblox is arguably one of the leaders in that space. Super exciting company, guys. However, the valuation for me, man, guys, it's really hard to get around. So let's get straight into the valuation part of this, guys. So Roblox raised $150 million in February 2020 at a valuation of $4 billion. The market value of Roblox, therefore, has increased 638% in 12 months, possibly because of its success in 2020. Okay, guys, so this is really simple to look at. You got to ask yourself, as a businessman, pretend you're a businessman for a second. 12 months ago, you could have bought Roblox at $4 billion. Now, just 1 year later, you're being offered to buy this company at $40 billion. Would you make that purchase? For me, I wouldn't. You know, at $40 billion, I believe that all of the growth is already baked into this company. I don't see the fundamental upside. Yes, it can go higher. The Google trends for the stock is over 1 million hits on its IPO date. There's so much hype in this, it could definitely double. But when a bear market comes around, I think Roblox is going to get hit extremely hard. I don't see this as an asymmetric return. I look for asymmetric stocks, very little downside, lots of upside. That's what I like to get into. I don't like paying 10x to what I could have just a year ago. So yeah, guys, personally, I am not in this one. If it does dip down to $45 though, I will definitely be looking to add a position into it, because this is definitely going to be a very successful company. I love the business. I love the business model. I just don't like the price, and that is very important. In a bull market, it might not seem important, but trust me, when a bear market does come, valuation definitely does matter. Anyways, guys, this is all I have for today's video. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think of Roblox. Are you buying it? Are you waiting? I'd love to know your guys' reasons. Anyways, really appreciate you guys watching to the end. I'll see you on the next video.